I am Lakshmi Prasanna, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Welcome to the lecture session of Image Processing. In this session, we will see some example problems on filters. So, the first example is apply order statistic filters on the selected pixels in the image. So, here the image is given, which is of size 3 by 3. They are asking to apply order statistic filters. So here order statistic filter means the consideration will be based on ranking of pixels. So some of the order statistics filters are median filter, min filter, max filter, and we have learned how to apply such type of filters on the image. Now we have to consider all that order statistic filters and we have to apply on this particular image. So it is based on ordering of the pixels contained in the image area encompassed by a filter. After applying the filter, then the center pixel value will be replaced with another pixel and it will be based on ranking result. Only center pixel value will be replaced. Then what about edges of the image means all that edges of the image will be preserved. That means the edges will not be changed. They will be as it is. Only the center pixel value will be changed according to the type of order statistic filter. So it is mainly based on ranking of pixels. So what are different order statistic filters here we can apply means we can apply median filter, max filter and min filter. Now let us first apply median filter. So if we consider here the image, it is 3 by 3 image and totally 9 pixels are available. First we have to, before applying any filter, first we have to arrange all the pixels in the ascending order. So if you arrange all the pixels in the ascending order, the order will be like 0, 1 0 is there and the next 3 ones are there, 2 2s are there, next 2 comma 2 and next we have 4 and 5. Okay. So after arranging in the ascending order, so as we are applying here median filter, we have to consider the middle pixel value and that pixel should be replaced with the center pixel. So here 1 2 3 4 and here 1 2 3 4. So here we have to write 3 because here 3 pixel is there. So if you see here, these are the 4 pixels and here these are the 4 pixels and the middle pixel value is 2. So in the image here, the middle value is 1, that 1 is replaced with 2 and the output image will look like 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 1, 4, 5. So all these are the edges of the image that will be preserved, whereas here the center pixel value will be replaced with 2. So 1 will be replaced with 2. So this is the output image after applying median filter. So next let us apply another order statistic filter, that is max filter on this image. Now, so this is the image they have given. Now we have to apply this max filter. So before applying max filter, here also first we have to see all these pixels and arrange them in the ascending order. So here arrange them in the ascending order. So if we arrange, we will get 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is ordering of pixels. So after arranging all these, if we want to apply max filter, among all these pixels, we have to consider the maximum pixel value. So here the maximum pixel value is 5. And in the image, the center pixel value is 1. And this 1 will be replaced with 5. So then the output image after applying the max filter look like, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 4, 5, 2. So all these are the edges that will be preserved, and the center pixel value 1 is replaced with the maximum pixel value 5. So this is the output image after applying max filter. Now, next order statistic filter is min filter. So in this case also, first we have to arrange the pixels from the given image in the ascending order. So if you arrange the same 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorting of pixels. Now among all these pixels, as this is min filter, minimum filter, we have to consider the minimum pixel value. In this case, the minimum pixel value is 0. And this 0 will be replaced in place of 1. Then the output image will look like 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 4, 5 and this is 2. Edges of the image will be preserved and the center pixel value 1 will be replaced with 0. Okay. So this is how we have to apply the order statistic filters on the given image. Now let us see the next example. Okay. So compute the median value of the marked pixels shown in the below image and its size is of 3 by 3 mask. Now here we have to apply median filter and the mask is of size 3 by 3. Here the marked pixels are there. So we can see here there is a mark indicated on the pixel 128, okay, 24, 172 and 26. All these are the marked pixels. We have to replace all these pixels with the new pixel values after applying median filter. And the filter size should be of 3 by 3. Now consider, if you apply 3 by 3 mask, first let us solve for one marked pixel 128. The second case we will solve for 24, next 172, similarly 26. First let us consider the first pixel, marked pixel 128. So if you apply this 3 by 3 mask in order to apply this median value, and we have to also see that this marked pixel should be the center pixel. So this is how we have to select the pixel and on that the mask should be placed. The size is of 3 by 3 and here the marked pixel 128 have become the center pixel and that pixel value should be replaced by applying median filter. So now considering that pixels that are available in this 3 by 3 mask, first we have to write all these pixels under the mask in the ascending order. So if you write, we will get like, we will get first pixel 18, so here, and next 19, 22, 22, 24, 32, 33, 34 and 128. So totally here 9 pixel values are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all that 9 pixels under this mask are arranged in the ascending order. Now to apply this median filter, we have to select the median value. So totally 9 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this 24 is the middle value that should be selected. Now this 128 will be replaced with 24. So this 128 will be replaced with 24 value, whereas here the edges are available. All that edges will be preserved. Now the next marked pixel is 24. Now we have to change the mask such that 24 will become the center pixel. Now, so we have to find the new pixel value for the marked pixel 24 by applying that 3 by 3 mask. Now, here 3 by 3 mask means we have to shift the mask such that this 24 will become the center pixel value. Now consider here 22, 33, 25, 128, 24, 172, 19, 32 and 31. All these are the pixels that are available under the mask. So first we have to write all these pixels, arrange all these pixels in the ascending order. So totally 9 pixels. So after arranging in the ascending order, we will get like 19, 22, 24, 25, 31, 32, 33, 128 and 172. So 9 pixels are there under the mask. So arranging them in the ascending order, see which one is the middle one, because we are applying here median filter. So 1, 2, 3, these are the 4 pixels and these are the 4 pixels. The middle one is 31 and here this 24 will be replaced with the new pixel value 31. And similarly, in the question, after 24, this 172 is the marked pixel. So we have to find the new value of the marked pixel 172. Now, in order to make this 172 as the center pixel value, we have to shift the mask, 3 by 3 mask, such that this 172 will become the center pixel value. So if you shift the mask, the new pixel values that are under this mask will be 33, 25, 32, 24, 172, 26, 32, 31 and 28. So considering these 9 pixels, first arrange them in the ascending order. So the order will be like minimum 24, first one, 25, 26, 28, 31, 32, 32, 33 and finally 172. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the 9 pixels are there in the ascending order. So see which one is the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 31 pixel value is the center pixel. So this 172 is the marked pixel which will be replaced with 31. Similarly, the next marked pixel is 26 in the question. So we can see here the next pixel value is 26. So in order to find the new value of the marked pixel 26, we have to shift the mask 3 by 3 mask such that the 26 will become the center pixel value. So then the 3 by 3 mask will be placed like this. Okay. So this 26 has become the center pixel. Now the pixels that are available under this mask are 25, 32, 24, 172, 26, 33, 31, 28 and 26. Now considering all these pixels under the mask, first we have to write all of them in the ascending order. So arrange all the 9 pixels in the ascending order. So we will get first one 24, 25, 26, 26, 28, 31, 32, 33 and 172. Okay. So out of all these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of all this 28 is the center pixel value. So this 26 will be replaced with 28. So we have calculated all the new pixel values for the marked pixels. Now let us see how the output image look like after applying median filter. So here in the question we have all the marked pixels here. So we can see 128, 24, 172, 26 and we have calculated the new pixel values for all that. So we got for first one 24, 31, 31 and 28. So all these values are replaced in the marked pixels and this is the output image. So this is how we have to solve. And next example is show the effect of arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean filter for the given image. So this is the given image. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the image whose size is of 5 by 5 and find the new value of the center pixel by using 3 by 3 neighborhood. So they are asking to use only 3 by 3 mask out of this 5 by 5 size image. They are asking to calculate only new pixel value for the center pixel by applying 3 by 3 mask. So here these are all the edges that will be preserved. In 5 by 5 image, all these are the edges that will be preserved. And here we have to apply 3 by 3 mask and find the center pixel value. So that's why here we need to apply the mask only in this region. Okay. And its size is of 3 by 3. So whereas here all these are the edges, all these are the edge pixels, all of them will be preserved. And here among all this 255 is the center pixel value after applying 3 by 3. Now they have asked different filters to apply. And here the first one is arithmetic mean filter. So if you see here, we have taken only 3 by 3 by making 255 as the center pixel. So we got only this mask, whereas the remaining pixels are preserved. So we did not consider that. We have considered only 3 by 3 mask and the pixels under the mask. And in the first case, we are applying this arithmetic mean filter. So we have discussed about this arithmetic mean filter, geometric mean filter, harmonic mean filter in the concept what we have discussed in the previous lecture. And the concept is restoration in the presence of noise only spatial filtering. So in that concept, we have discussed about all that filters. And we have also seen the mathematical expression for all the filters. So recall that. And the formula for this arithmetic mean filter is given as f cap of x comma y is equal to 1 by mn sigma s of x comma y g of s comma t. So here mn represents the size of the image and here it is 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 means 3 rows and 3 columns. So we will get the value of mn as 9. Now here summation is given. G of s comma t represents the coefficient values that are available in the mask. So we have to perform the summation operation between all these coefficient values. So now if we apply this arithmetic mean filter 1 by 9, because it is mn, m is 3 and n is also 3. So 9 pixels totally into summation is there for all the coefficients. So we have first coefficient 255 plus next 128 plus next one 255 plus 128 plus 255 plus 128 plus 255 plus 128 plus 255. Okay. So all these are the pixels value. We have to do the summation operation and the entire result should be divided by 9. Then the value what we are getting here should be replaced in 255. And the next type of filter is geometric mean filter. So the formula for this geometric mean filter is given as f cap of x comma y is equal to pi s x comma y g of s comma t whole power 1 by m n. So here also the 3 by 3 image is considered to find the center pixel value. Now applying this formula, so we have to perform the multiplication operation between all these pixels. So it look like here the first one is 255 into next one 128 into 255 into 128 into 255 into 128 into 255 into 128 into 255. All the pixels are multiplied and here we have power 1 by mn, power 1 by. So here mn represents rows and columns. So 3 by 3. So the value power 1 by 9. Okay. It is power 1 by 9. So we have to calculate this value and the value what we are getting should be replaced in the place of 255. And next one is harmonic mean filter. Same, here 3 by 3 image is considered, that is under the mask, the edge pixels are preserved. Here this is 255 which is the center pixel we need to calculate. So if we apply this harmonic mean filter, the formula for this harmonic mean filter is f cap of x comma y is equal to mn by sigma s comma t 1 by g of s comma t. Now if you apply this formula, here mn represents rows and columns. So here 3 by 3. So the value will be 9 by, here summation should be performed and it is 1 by each coefficient. So here the first coefficient is 255, 1 by 255 plus the next one is 128. So 1 by 128 plus next one is 255. So 1 by 255 plus here next one is 128 and the next one 1 by 255 plus next one is 128. So 1 by 128 plus the next one 1 by 255 plus next 128 plus the next value is 255. 1 by 255. So now we have to do this calculation and the value what we are getting here should be replaced in place of 255. So this is how we have to apply arithmetic mean filter, geometric mean filter and harmonic mean filter on the given image. So here, as they have clearly specified, we have to go for 3 by 3 neighborhood to find the center pixel value. We have considered only 3 by 3 mask. And here we have to memorize all these arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean formulas. Now, let us see another example. So, analyze the effect of max filter and min filter for the given image and interpret the result. Here, the image is given and its size is of 3 by 3. So, here we can observe 3 rows and 3 columns. So, here, first, in order to apply max filter or min filter, first we have to arrange all the pixels in the image in the ascending order. So, we have to apply all the pixels in the ascending order. Okay. So, if you arrange all the pixels in the ascending order, we will get like first one is 10, 10, 20, 20, 25, 25, 30, 30 and the maximum one here is 250. Okay. So, here the pixel what we are calculating is to replace with the center pixel value. And if you apply this max filter, among all these pixels, the maximum pixel value is 250. So, this 250 will be replaced with the same value 250. So, the output image will be same like 30, 10, 20, 10, 250, 25, 20, 25 and 30. Because here the center pixel is 250 and the maximum pixel value is also 250. So, the input image and output image both will be same. Now, if you considering this minimum filter, the same procedure, first we have to arrange all the pixels in the ascending order. So, the pixels 10, 10, 20, 20, 25, 25, 30, 30 and 250. Okay. So, among all these pixels, so min filter means we have to select the minimum pixel value. So, in this case, the minimum pixel value is 10. So, this 250 is the center pixel in the given image and it will be replaced with 10. So, the output image will be like 30, 10, 20, 10, 20, 25, 30, 25. So, the center pixel instead of 250, we will have 10. So, this is how we have to apply the minimum filter and maximum filter for the given image. So, these are some of the example problems that we can learn from filter concepts. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.